everyone, welcome to Artsy Space. Today we're gonna do how to draw Hello Kitty. What I'm gonna be using is a Sharpie and 3 shades of coloring markers in shades of yellow, pink, and the darker ones are red. First thing we're gonna do is draw her bow. We're gonna draw a circle. And then we're gonna draw a big U shape that comes out and connect back into the circle. And another one on the other sides. Then we're gonna draw a C shapes inside. Then we're gonna draw an oval for her eyes and we're gonna fill in. And we're gonna make another one on the other sides. Make sure it's the same size. I think I'm gonna make the eyes a little bit bigger. And now that's perfect. And we're gonna do an oval for her nose. We're gonna draw an A shapes over the bow for the ears. And we're gonna draw the line for top of her head. And we're gonna make another ear. And a big U shape as her face. I'm gonna draw a flower on her sides, like that. And I'm gonna draw a circle underneath for her hands that holding the flower. And we're gonna do her clothes. Last thing we're gonna do is draw her whisker. We're gonna draw 3 lines at both sides. And we're done. So we can start coloring. I think I'm gonna need another shades of pink for the insides of her ears.